Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel Adamant Orange, and this week in 3D metal model news. A quick look at Fascinations website under their coming soon doesn't show anything new. However, Fascinations has recently released their 2019 catalog, and I've been poking around on it. There are a few things on there that aren't really listed under coming soon. One of the first things that I saw, and it seems like I've seen this somewhere before, but I don't remember actually making a video about it, is a CST 100 Starliner that's showing up. And this, I'm not really familiar with this, so I looked it up real quick, and it is apparently a spacecraft that's being worked on or designed and created by Boeing. And I don't think it's ready to launch yet. I think the launch dates are sometime next year. But it looks like they've got a model coming up that they really haven't announced yet, but it's showing up in their catalog. Another thing that's showing up in their catalog, and I've heard a little talk about it on Reddit, on the Metal Earth subreddit, is a P510 Mustang, aka Sweet Arlene. And it's another Mustang model. Looks like it's a little more detailed, a little more curvy model. But it's something else is showing up in their catalog but hasn't been announced under coming soon or any other venue that I'm aware of, or any other social media that I'm aware of. Scrolling through a little bit more, and I have talked a little bit about this. Fascinations did make, I believe, an Instagram post not too many days ago about it. There is something about Game of Thrones, and the catalog gives a little more information, not much more, and it shows coming in 2019, Game of Thrones. The one piece of information that it gives that the post on Instagram didn't was barcodes for 5 different, what appear to be Iconics models. Don't know what they are, can only speculate, but they have codes that start off with ICO or ICN, which are usually used for Iconics. So it looks like there's going to be 5 Game of Thrones Iconics models coming. Originally when I saw that I was thinking maybe some more Legends models, but maybe not if they're going to be Iconics. There is also a picture in there of the Flintstones car with Barney and Fred in it, which I've seen this picture before, but this photograph that's in the catalog also includes a sheet or two from the model, and it makes a note or indication that this is going to be a kit, maybe a box set, like C-3PO and R2-D2, maybe something like that, but it looks like it's going to be included, and you can see on the sheet there are parts for the car and parts for one of their faces, so it looks like it's all going to be in one complete model rather than maybe a couple of Legends model and then a car. It looks like it's just going to be one entire model kit build. Outside of that catalog, and speaking of Instagram, yesterday or last night, Fascinations made a very vague post on Instagram that I really don't want to speculate on. I'm not sure what it means, but, and I'll read what they put in the post. I'm not saying they exist, but ancient aliens contacted us for a custom model of their ship. And it's kind of a meme, and that's what it has on it. I'm not sure what ancient aliens they are talking about. One thing that comes to mind when you speak of ancient aliens is Stargate. I don't know if that's the case. I think of aliens as far as the movie Aliens, but I really don't know. I dare not really speculate. I don't know what it means, but definitely have to keep my eye out on that. Outside of that, Peace Cool, I don't really see anything new. Not seeing or hearing anything new from any of the other websites or model makers at this time. There's a lot out there, so I may have missed something. And if I missed something in the catalog, let me know. Take a look at it yourself. There's links in the description down below, and if you see that I've missed something, let me know. Let others know. What did I miss? Now looking on AliExpress, I don't really see anything new, but on Crazy Toys websites or Crazy Toys shops page, as well as 1 or 2 other pages, I'm noticing that the Guanqiu Tower and the Russian battlecruiser are now available for sale. I had spoken about them in a previous video that they were coming soon, and now you can get them on AliExpress. And again, the links for some of these things are in the description down below. I will leave it at that. Quick thank you to my Patreon supporters for helping making these videos possible, giving me the freedom to do what I do. If you like these videos, consider becoming a Patreon supporter. There's a link in the description below and at the very end of this video. As always, thank you for watching, and keep on keeping on.